Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about integers beta. Okay, so let's start with that. Ranjan purchased a book from a bookshop. The cost of the book is rupees 125. Ranjan paid only 100 rupees to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper writes 25 rupees as due amount from Ranjan. How would he remember whether rupees 25 has to be taken or to be given to Ranjan? Can he express this due amount by some sign like positive 25 or negative 25? Bitto is standing on the bank of a lake and look at the image of a tree in the water. If he considered ground as base, then how will he express the height of the tree and its image in the lake beta? So thus there is a need to extend our numbers so as to represent credits and debits, heights and depth beta, above and below, freezing points, profit and loss, etc. So we need to use some signs which can differentiate numbers either less than 0 or more than 0. The numbers which are less than 0 represent negative values. These numbers are negative numbers beta. I hope you understood well. We can find the examples of negative signs in our daily life. If I receive something from a friend, it is denoted by positive signs, positive numbers. And if I owe something to him, so it is to be denoted by a negative sign. I am obliged to pay 25 rupees to the shopkeeper, so it's to be denoted by minus 25 rupees. Some other situations where we use signs are above the ground, below the ground means negative sign. Profit के लिए हम positive sign use करते हैं. Loss अगर हमें हो जाता है तो we have to use it a negative sign. Income हमारी हो रही है तो positive में हम show करते हैं and expenditures जो खर्च होते हैं हमारे we have to just like use negative signs, etc. beta. I hope you understood this concept. Now integers. We have studied in previous chapter about the whole numbers. Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. We have observed in the above examples that we need negative numbers. We can denote it as a negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, 2 and 1. These are called integers with a negative signs beta. Consider that the positive and a negative numbers are such that means 1 plus negative 1 that means 0, 2 plus 1 negative 2 that means 0. एक हमारा 3 पॉजिटिव है, एक हमारा नेगेटिव 3 है, दैट मीन्स वी गेट इट 0. Similarly 4, 5, 6 and so on beta. Thus a new system which has positive and a negative numbers separated by 0 is called a integers beta and expressed by symbol like this one. Symbolically we write it as like 1 and dash minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and so on. Here the numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 are called negative integers and simple 1, 2, 3 ये हमारे क्या कहलाते हैं positive integers. The number 0 is an integers neither a positive or neither a negative beta. Hope you understood. Now representations of integers on a number line. So how to do this? At first we draw a straight line. पहले straight line खींचेंगे. We know that 0 means differentiate the negative and the positive integers. Now we start with marking a point 0 on the line. We set an equal distances, unit distance on its right sides and left sides. The points on the right sides are marked with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And the points on the left sides are marked with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on as shown below like that one beta. Okay, ये 0 है, इस तरफ हमारे ये पॉजिटिव साइंस है और इस तरफ हमारे क्या है ये नेगेटिव साइंस है. So it's clear to see on a number line that -1 and 1 are on the opposite sides of zeros, but at the same distances from it. Similarly, -9 and 9 are equal distances from 0, but on the opposite sides of a 0, beta. I hope you understood. Now, next, beta. This is order of integers. So, on the number line, every number on the right is a greater than every number on its left sides. Yes. Suppose 9 is greater than 6, 4 हमारा 3 से बड़ा है, 1 is greater than 0 and so on. From above, it may concluded that 0 is less than every positive integers and 0 is a greater than every negative integers. Negative से तो 0 हमारा बड़ा है, but positive से हमारा 0 क्या है? छोटा नंबर है. So 0 is neither a positive nor a negative integers. Every positive integers is a greater than every negative integers. सारे हमारे पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स बड़े होते हैं, नेगेटिव हमारे स्मॉल होते हैं. फर्दर अ नंबर फ्रॉम 0 ऑन द राइट ग्रेटर इन इट्स वैल्यू. फर्दर अ नंबर फ्रॉम 0 ऑन द लेफ्ट स्मॉलर इन इट्स वैल्यू, बेटा. होप यू अंडरस्टूड अबाउट दिस. नाउ absolute value of an integers. So let's see. We can see on the number line. This is a number line. -6 is as far to the left of 0 as +6 is the right of 0. So we represent the observations using an absolute value notations. That means -6 is equal to हमारा हो गया 6. That means absolute value of -6 की क्या हो जाएगी? 6, बेटा. And 6 is equal to 6. That means absolute value of 6 is 6. 6 की 6 ही रहेगी, but -6 की हमारी 6 हो जाएगी. We use 2 vertical bars, one on either side of the integers to show its absolute value, beta. As 0 is a neither positive nor negative, its absolute value is 0. That means like this one. Thus the absolute value of an integer is its numerical value only without its sign. Hope you understood this, beta. So now example number 1. Using integers express the following. Here it is given a profit of 700 rupees. So that means profit को हम कैसे show करेंगे? Plus 700, okay. 100 degree above 0. 0 से ऊपर 100 degree. We have to just write it positive 100. लॉस के लिए कैसे शो करेंगे हम? लॉस के लिए ये हमारा साइन है -500. 25 बिलो 0, तो दैट मीन्स -25. अंशु क्लाइम्स 300 meters ऑन द माउंटेन फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. अब ये हमारा ऊपर चढ़ा है, तो ये हमारा कितना हो गया? positive 300. A sea drives at a depth of 900 meters below sea level. Below sea level means -900. A kite is flying 100 meter above. Above पूछ रहे हैं, that means positive sign. Withdrawal हमारा हो रहा है, तो that means yes, it's a negative sign. I hope you understood. Now example 2. Represent the following numbers on the number line. Solution, beta. Draw a number line on which points P, Q, R and S. Like this is a number line. Represents the points -7 or +5, +10 and -8. Like that one, beta. ये हमारे क्या हैं? Yes, this is -8. ये हमारा -7 हो गया. और ये हमारा +5 है, और ये हमारा क्या हो गया? येस, इट्स अ +10. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट, बेटा. एग्जाम्पल 3. इन द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स ऑफ नंबर्स आइडेंटिफाई द नंबर्स विच आर ऑन द राइट ऑफ द अदर्स. हैंस राइट द सिम्बल्स greater than and less than between them. First one is 3 and 8. So 8 is to the right of 3. So therefore 8 is a greater than 3, beta. And 5 and -5, इसमें 5 is to the right of -5, therefore 5 is greater. सिमिलरली 4 माइनस 50, इसमें से हमारा 4 हमारा राइट साइड पे लाई होता है, दैट मीन्स 4 इज अ ग्रेटर दैन माइनस 50, and fourth one is 0 minus 1. So now in this time 0 is right of minus 1. So 0 is greater. Similarly minus 5 and minus 7. So minus 5 is right of the minus 7. So minus 7 is greater than minus 7 beta. I hope you understood this concept. Now move on. Example number 4. Which one in the following pairs of numbers is smaller? Minus 7 or minus 2. So, on seeing number line, the numbers lying in left side is smaller. जो हमारे left side पे होता है वो हमारा smaller होता है. So, minus 7 is smaller than minus 2, and here it is minus 2 is smaller than 4, and minus 6 is smaller than minus 3 है, और 5 is smaller है हमारा किससे? 9 से बेटा. I hope you understood this concept. Now, move on. Yes, example 5. Arrange the following in a ascending order. So, positive 1, 0, minus 1, minus 5, positive 5, positive 9 and negative 9. So, solutions. Let's put the given numbers on the number line as. So, हमने किस तरीके से 0 हमारे इस साइड राइट में क्या है हमारे? Yes, पॉजिटिव साइन 1, 2, 3 and 4 और लेफ्ट साइड में हमारे होते हैं नेगेटिव साइन. द नंबर्स आर इन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट बेटा. ओके, सो अरेंजिंग द नंबर्स इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर वी गेट माइनस 9, माइनस 5, माइनस 1, 0, प्लस 1, प्लस 5 एंड प्लस 9. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 6. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स इन अ डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो लेट्स पुट द गिवन नंबर्स ऑन अ नंबर लाइन. नंबर्स लाइन में हमने इन नंबर्स को असाइन कर दिया. सो नाउ द नंबर्स कैन बी अरेंज इन अ डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट एज. सो नंबर हमें क्या फॉर्म हुआ? येस, 175, 11, देन 5, देन माइनस 1, माइनस 9 एंड माइनस 167. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 7. Here it is given, draw a number line and answer the following. Which number will you reach at if you move 4 numbers to the left of minus 2? So, हम कैसे करेंगे इसको? We denote the expressions on the number line as, ये हमारी number line है 0, 1, 2, 3, इस तरीके से positive and here it is a negative signs. So, minus 6, minus 2, इन दोनों के बीच में हमारा difference कितना हुआ? Yes, minus 6 beta. So, we will reach at the point minus 6. Hope you understood well. So, now second. Which number will you reach at if you move 4 numbers to the right of minus 4? Minus 4 से अगर आप right side पे जाओगे, so here it is minus 4. आप right side पे जा रहे हो, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So, आप कहाँ पर लाई हो रहे हो? Yes, it's a 0 बेटा. So, हमारा आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 0. Okay, now example 8. Find the value of. अब ये हमारे एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू है माइनस 100, तो ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव 100. 0, 0 ही रहेगा. 7 माइनस 4 कितने होते हैं? 3, बट पॉजिटिव के 3. सो दिस इज 3 एंड 8 हमारा प्लस एंड माइनस 3. सो ये हमारा कितना बन गया? पॉजिटिव का 11. I hope you understood well. So now move on. Next beta. This is exercise 4.1. Put the sign greater than, less than or equal to in the boxes given below. So here it is minus 18 and minus 35. So नेगेटिव के केस में हमारा क्या होता है? जो नंबर स्मॉलर होता है वो हमारा बिगर कंसिडर्ड होता है. So minus 18 is bigger than minus 35 beta. Hope you understood. So now second one. Arrange the following number in a ascending order. So ascending order में करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Let's see. Here it is negative minus 40. उसके बाद हमारा नंबर आता है minus 25 and after that yes minus 12, then positive 77 and then 130. ये हमारा हो गया biggest number. So this is our ascending order number beta. I hope you understood well. So these are the other question. You have to complete it yourselves. Okay. So now move on next topic. This is operations on integers. So we can apply 4 mathematical operations, that means addition, subtractions, multiplications and divisions on a number line. So addition of integers first. We shall discuss the additions of integers under the following cases. Both the integers are positive first, both the integers are negative, one of the two integers is positive. Case number 1, अगर हमारा दोनों integers positive होगा. So let's add 6 और 2. 6 और 2 को ऐड करने के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? ये हमारी नंबर लाइन है. 0 से पहले 6 में गए, देन 2 स्टेप्स आपने और मूव करा तो आप कहाँ पर पहुँचे? 8 पे पहुँचे यहाँ पर. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. We start from 0 and move right because the sign of the first number 6 is positive. Thus we reach at 6. Again we move 2 steps to the right of 6 because the sign of second integer 2 is also positive. Thus we get 6 और 2 कितने होते हैं हमारे? 8. So therefore we conclude that sum of two positive integer is always positive beta. Hope you understood. Now case number 2. बोथ द इंटीजर्स आर नेगेटिव. अगर दोनों ही हमारे नेगेटिव होते हैं, सो लेट्स सी. लेट्स ऐड -5 एंड -3. सो दिस इज़ अ नंबर लाइन. 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड हमने कहाँ पर गए? -4 पे फर्स्ट. नाउ 3 स्टेप्स आपने और लेफ्ट साइड्स पे लिया तो आप कहाँ पर पहुँचे? -8 पे पहुँचे बेटा. So we start from 0 and move towards left reaching -5. Again we move 3 steps to the left of -5 and reach -8. Thus we get -5 plus -3, that means -8 beta. Therefore we conclude that sum of two negative integers is always, yes beta, negative. Now case number 3. One of the two integers is negative. So let's add 3 minus 4. 3 and -4 को हम ऐड करेंगे, एक पॉजिटिव है एक हमारा नेगेटिव है. So we start from 0 and move towards 3 steps right from 0 and again move towards 4 steps left from 3. Now we reach 3 plus -4, that means -1 beta. Okay. So when negative numbers is added to an integers, the resulting integers becomes less than the given integers. So let's see another example, that means 4 and -3. So this is a number line. So on the number line हम क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले? Yes, we move 4 step to the right of 0 and reach 4. 0 से स्टार्ट करा, 4 पे पहुँचे, फिर 4 से हम लेफ्ट साइड पे जाएंगे और हम कहाँ पर पहुँचेंगे? 1 पे. I hope you understood well. So let's consider a special case when an integer is added to its opposite, says 5 plus -5. So like that one, we move 5 steps to the right of 0. 0 से पहले 5 में जाएंगे. Again we move 5 steps to the left of 5 and reach 0. I hope you understood well. Similarly we get 6 पॉजिटिव का है, एक माइनस का है, तो हमें मिलेगा 0. 1 positive, 1 negative, then 0, 9, 1 positive, 9 negative and 0 and so on beta. These types of numbers when added to each others give the sum 0 beta. They are called additive inverse of each number. Each integer has a successors. 1 is the successors of 0 and 0 is the successors of -1 beta. Similarly 2 is the successors of 1. 1 added to an integer gives its successors beta. Hope you understood well. Now example 9 also. Find the integers using number line which is 8 less than 6. So solution, we have to find the integers 8 less than 6. That means, so we start from 6 and move 8 steps towards left sides. We reach at -2, which is shown on the number line. So see the number line here, like that one. Okay. So here it is. Thus we can say that 6 plus -8 कितने होते हैं हमारे? -2 beta. Now second one, we have to find the integers 6 more than -4. So we start from -4 and move 6 steps कहाँ पर? Towards right, so as to reach 2, which is shown on a number line as follows beta, like this one. Okay, 4 से हमने कहाँ पर चले गए हम? 2 पे. So we can say that thus -4 plus 2 is equal to हमारा कितना बना? Yes, it's a 2 number. So this is how we just add and subtract on number line. So now example 10 beta. Here it is given, add the following integers without using number line. So here it is given 8 plus 14. So 8 plus 14 कितने होते हैं? Yes, 22. Minus 8 plus minus 14. So plus minus minus. So हमने क्या करना है इसको? माइनस माइनस प्लस होते हैं. सो 14 और 8 कितने हो गए? 22. और यहाँ हमारा नेगेटिव में 14 है जो कि बड़ा साइन है. सो जस्ट राइट इट -22. नाउ थर्ड वन इज 8 plus minus 14. So plus minus minus. So 8 minus 14. Yes, it's a -6 beta. And fourth one is -8 plus 14. That means 6. I hope you understood well. So now example 11. Find the sum of the following. So here it is given -67 plus -37. So माइनस माइनस क्या होते हैं हमारे? प्लस. सो 104 और ये साइन आएगा हमारा नेगेटिव का. सो -104 इज आंसर. सेकेंड वन इज 71 प्लस 53. सो ये होते हैं हमारे 121. 85 प्लस -37 कितने होते हैं? पहले हमने साइंस को सॉल्व करा. साइन हमारे हैं पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. सो प्लस माइनस माइनस. सो 85 में से 37 को माइनस करेंगे. सो बेटा 48. And fourth one is, here it is given -72 plus -35. So पहले साइन को सॉल्व करते हैं. प्लस माइनस माइनस. सो माइनस माइनस क्या होते हैं हमारे? प्लस. सो ये हमारा बन गया 107 बट -107 बेटा. Similarly, these are the other examples beta. Just see and solve it yourselves. Okay, now example 12. Find the successors of each of the following. 100 का successors क्या होता है? तो successors we know that we have to add one number on that. So 100 में एक नंबर ऐड करेंगे 101. माइनस 100 में 1 ऐड करा. So 99 माइनस 99 एंड 1 का सक्सेसर हो गया 2 एंड -1 का सक्सेसर हो गया 0 एंड 0 का सक्सेसर हमें मिला 1 बेटा. I hope you understood well. So now exercise 4.2 beta. So here it is given question number. This is question number 1 beta. Write the numbers by using number name. अब हमें number name को use करते हुए 6 less than 4 हमें बताना है कितने होते हैं. So let's start to make a number line over here. So this is a number line. This is 0. ये हमारे positive के 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And here it is -1, this is -2, this is -3, this is -4 and so on. अब हमने क्या करना है? 6 less than 4. 4 में से 6 less हमने करने हैं. So here it is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो हम यहाँ पर जाएंगे तो कहाँ पर पहुँचे हम? Yes, it's a -2. So ये हमने 6 less कर दिया. मीन्स हम लेफ्ट साइड में चले गए. So that means हमारा आंसर आया -2. I hope you understood well. So beta, these are the other questions. You have to complete it yourselves. Okay, it's very easy. So do it yourselves. Now move on next one. This is subtractions of integers. For examples, if we have to subtract 3 from 7, we move 3 steps towards, yes, left side from 7. So as to reach 4. Thus 7 में से 3 minus करेंगे 4 beta. Let's now subtract -3 from 7. That means 7 minus -3. So ये हमारी number line है. Okay. So in this case, if we move 3 steps towards 7, we reach to 4 as above. So we can say that 7 minus 3 is not equal to 7 minus -3 beta. So therefore we shall have to move 3 steps towards the right of 7 as shown in the number line below. like that one. So that means 7 minus minus 3 is equal to, yes, 10 beta, like this one. From the above we conclude that when a negative integers is subtracted from an integers, the resultant number is greater than the integers. In the above case, 10 is a greater than 7. Second, subtracting a negative integers from a integers means adding the additive inverse of the negative integers. Here we have to add additive inverse of minus 3, that means positive 3 to 7. Hope you understood these things. Now, predecessors of an integers. So, here like successors, every number has its predecessors. Predecessors comes just before the number beta. For examples, in number series 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 3 is the predecessor of 4, 2 is the predecessor of 3 and 0 is the predecessor of 1. So, therefore, the predecessor of a number is obtained by subtracting, yes, 1 from the number. नंबर में से अगर हम एक सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो वो उसका हमारा प्रीडिसेस होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 माइनस 1 3, ओके. 4 में से अगर हम 1 माइनस करेंगे तो 3 हमारा 4 का प्रीडिसेस हो गया. 3 माइनस 1 इज 2 एंड 1 माइनस 1 इज 0. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड प्रीडिसेस ऑफ एन इंटीजर्स. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 13. Here it is given, solve minus 9 minus plus 3. So, step number 1, the sign of the integers that has to be subtracted is changed to the opposite signs. That means minus 9 plus minus plus 3 becomes minus 9 plus minus 3. That means minus 12 beta. Hope you understood. Now, move on. Next beta, this is example 14. सॉल्व करना है हमें minus 9 minus plus 3 by using the number line. So, solutions. In this method, we need to add minus 3 to minus 9. Thus, the directions of movement changes to the left of minus 9 and not to the right of minus 9. Hence, we get 0, 1, 2, 3 ये हमारे पॉजिटिव है, ये हमारे नेगेटिव है. तो हमारा आंसर्स कितना मिला हमें? Yes, it's a minus 12 beta. Hope you understood. Now, example 15. Solve 2 minus 4. Solutions. After draw a number, gives or marks the integers 2 on it. Now, we move 4 steps of the left of 2. Which numbers represent minus 2? Hence, 2 minus 4, that means is equal to minus 2 beta. Okay. So, this is a number line. I hope you understood the concept. Now, alternate method is there. We solve these problems without number line as follows. 2 minus 4 becomes 2 plus minus 4. Change the sign of the second integers. That means minus plus हमारे क्या होते हैं? Minus. So, that means answer हमारा क्या आ गया? minus 2 beta. Hope you understood. Now, exercise 4.3. So, first question is subtract the following. So, here it is given minus 2 minus 4. So, how to solve this? This is minus 2 beta and this is minus 4. So, हमारा क्या करेंगे हम? इन दोनों को 4 और 2 माइनस माइनस क्या होते हैं हमारे? प्लस होते हैं. So, 4 में से 2 हम प्लस करेंगे 6. 4 और 2 6 होते हैं. 4 के साथ हमारा नेगेटिव का साइन है. 4 हमारा बड़ा इंटीजर्स है. So, we have to write it minus 6. So, minus 6 is the answer of that one beta. Hope you understood. Similarly beta, these are the other questions. You have to complete it yourselves. Okay. So, now just move on. Points to remember. The number line moves in the decreasing order from right to left. And 0 is the greatest than any of the negative integers. The sum of the negative and positive integers is an integers which carries the sign of a greater number. The sum of two negative numbers is always a negative number. Negative numbers are always less than 0. The sum of n integers and its additive inverse of opposites is 0 beta. 0 is neither opposite positive nor negative, and 0 is less than all positive numbers and bigger than all negative numbers beta. I hope you understood all points very nicely. Okay. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood. So do practice and do rest of these exercises by your own.